Hi everybody, this is Mubashar Mughal, and the one-liner of this session is confidence, how we can build the confidence, or I will tell you 7 steps to boost your confidence, to build your confidence. So first of all, we have to understand that what is confidence. Confidence actually a power of your ability. If you feel that you have belief in yourself, on your abilities, and you have faith about yourself, about your work, it's mean that you have confidence, and you know that we need that power, we need that belief in ourself, in our abilities. It's clear that you have abilities. First of all, you have to understand that what your ability is, what your strength is. Are you ready to build your confidence? If you are, then watch this, and these 7 steps will give you confidence and will boost your confidence. I'm 100% sure. So what is the first step? First step is practicing in front of mirror, or mirror rule. You have to stand in front of mirror and talk to yourself. Look at your eyes. Look at yourself in your eyes and just talk to yourself and say something positive to yourself. Like, I am the greatest. I am the greatest. I am the greatest ever born on this planet. Or you can say that I will show you how great I am. I will show you how great I am. I will show you how great I am. These type of positive sentence you say to yourself. So this is the first step to build your confidence, to boost your confidence. That you have to stand in front of mirror and talk to yourself and say something positive to yourself. So what is the second step? Second step is visualize yourself as a winner. You have to visualize and set yourself as a winner. Because you are the winner. If you are visualizing that you are a winner, it's mean that your inner confidence is coming back. And you really need that confidence. You have to visualize before you going any. So what is the third step to build your confidence? Third way or third step to build your confidence is do things first which scares you. You have to do that thing in each day which scares you, which give you fear. If you are doing difficult task, if you are doing those things which scares you, first it's mean that you are getting more power in yourself. You have power in yourself. Just you have to give chance to yourself to explore your inner power. So for this, you have to first do that thing which really scares you. So what is the fourth step to build your confidence? The fourth step to build your confidence is get to know yourself. You have to know that who you are, what are your abilities, what is your strength, and who you want to become. Who you are. You have to learn more about yourself. If you are getting knowledge about yourself, who you are, who you want to become, which person you like, on which things you are good at. You have to surround yourself with empowering information. What is the fifth way to build your confidence? Fifth step or fifth way to build your confidence is pick a skill and master it. It is 100% sure that every person in this universe have a uniqueness in himself. So you have a skill in yourself. Just you have to pick that, or any type of skill you want. You have to pick that skill and you just have to make sure that you are mastering to build that thing, that skill. Do not work too many things. If you are working on too many skills, it means that you are not mastering. Pick a single of one skill and just mastering it. Now what is the sixth way to build your confidence? Sixth way to build your confidence is focus on solution. You know that we all have problems. When we are working on something, there will be a lot of problems. We do not need to think that problem. We have to go for the solution. If we are looking at the solution, it's mean that we are getting more knowledge. And that knowledge will give us confidence to get that thing. If we are focusing on solution, it's mean that we are not accepting the failure. We are working more smartly toward that thing. So always be focused on solution, not the problems. You have got the problem, you have got the failure, you have got the fear. Just you have to focus on what is the solution of this. And you have to go for that. Now what is the last and seventh way to build your confidence? The last and seventh step to build your confidence is keep always smiling. If you have got a great confidence, if you got a skill, if you have anything, but you don't have smile on your face, it's mean that you are getting nothing. You must need a smile, a great smile on your face. Even if you have a fake smile on your face, it will attract people more towards you. So always keep smile. What my recommendation for you is, if you don't like these 7 steps, you will have more. But the first step which I tell you, first way which I tell you, that practicing in front of mirror, you must have to do this. And the last, to keep smiling. I'm giving you 100% sure that if you are working only in these 2 ways, you will get a good confidence without wasting any time. There are a lot of ways to build your confidence. If you think that you are more than that, then please tell me in comments so that the other people will learn from your comments. And if you want to ask me some questions, you can also ask me through comments. And you can also appreciate me by sharing this video to the others. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.